In this brief video, we'll go over the purpose of the Assign button and how to use it. Consider the Assign button to be your flexible recorder of student usage. Simply turn it on and it will maintain a count of the activities and sessions that each of your students have completed. Assignments can be used to monitor student usage during a lesson, overnight for homework monitoring, or over the course of a longer period of time, such as a week or a month. It's totally up to you how you use it. When you wish to end an assignment, just click the Close button, the small X, beside the Assign button. This will clear the data from the column. However, data will be saved and available on reports for you. And when you're ready to start a fresh assignment, just select some or all of your students and hit the Assign button again. The button turns blue and changes from Assigned to Assigned, indicating that the assignment is now active. As your students begin working on MathFactLab, just hit your refresh button to be updated on student progress.